can look at the first example here, which is example A. Okay, so example A, we want to solve this equation. So what we can do, we can change equation 1. We can make y the subject of the formula from equation 1. So doing that, we are going to have y. Okay, y is equal to x minus 2. Okay, so this is still equation 1. Okay, now substituting, so we can substitute equation 1, okay, into 2 and see what we are going to get. So substituting equation 1 into 2, okay, we are going to get just x minus 2, right? This will be squared is equal to x. Now you can expand. Okay, so if you expand this side, you are going to get that's x squared minus 4x, right, plus 4 is equal to x. Okay, again you can collect the like terms here, and you are going to have a negative 5x, right, plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, again if you factorize, I assume you know how to factorize here, right? So if you factorize using you can use the method for finding the sum and the product, or let's do that together anyway. So we're going to have x squared, right? So instead of having negative 5x, if you find your sum and your product, you are going to have negative 4x. Okay, negative 4x minus x plus 4. So plus 4 is equal to 0. So this is what you are going to get. Now you can factorize. Okay, so if you factorize, you are going to have x minus 1. Okay, open bracket there, x minus 4. Okay, sorry about that. So you're going to get x minus 4. X minus 4 is equal to 0. So this means your value of x, you're going to have either x is equal to positive 1 or x is equal to positive 4, right? Okay, so this is what you are going to get. Now you have found the value of x, so you can still find the value of y as well. Okay, so how are you going to do that? You can take equation 2. Okay, so remember your equation 2 is y squared, right, is equal to x. Now for x is equal to 1, for x is equal to 1. Okay, so let's do this. So for x is equal to 1, what will be your y squared? Okay, so your y is going to be the square root of x, the square root of x. Now if you substitute x with the value of x you have, this is 1, so you still get 1, right? Again, if you use 4, you are going to have y is equal to x. Now this time x is equal to 4. Remember the value for x, you have two values for x, right? So if you substitute, you are going to have the square root of 4, which will give you 2, right? Okay, again you can substitute in the in equation 2, in equation 1, which is y is equal to x minus 2. So if you use equation 2, okay, let me just write that properly. So if you use equation 2, which is y is equal to x minus 2, if you substitute x by 4, okay, you are going to get y is equal to 2. Okay, again if you substitute y x by positive 1, okay, which will be minus 2. It will give you y is equal to negative 1. That is if you use equation 2. Okay, so this is how we solve simultaneous equations using this method. Okay, all right, so we can should we solve this one? Okay, let's solve these two in the next video, or we can solve this one here, and then the other one we solve in the next video. How is that? Okay, that can be good, I think. Okay, let's just solve that one in the second video.